Alright guys, so welcome to today's giveaway video. In today's giveaway video, I would like to present to you a Ice Age right here, an Ice Age move, which is not something that special when you hear it, but it is somehow, because it has a feature which I haven't seen in that many One Piece games, to be exact, in no One Piece game yet, but I barely play games, alright? So I could be wrong at this point, but you can of course prove me wrong, or prove me wrong or otherwise in the comment section. All right, so this feature in particular is basically that objects around, all right, so not only limbs of players or enemies, but also objects such as trees, houses or walls of houses, stones, rocks, whatsoever. So those objects which actually touch the Ice Age, that they start to freeze. All right, so that's a feature, a tiny bit of detail, but still a feature which I barely have seen somewhere else. All right, now, let's get into the video. Link is in the Discord server, which is linked down in the description. Check out my second channel. With that being said, enjoy. And the tutorial is coming tomorrow, alright?